Guys, it is that's bright. It is Lethal Diffusion, and I'm with my little brother today.
What's up, guys?
And we're gonna be doing 300 today. I'm hyped. I'm hyped because I've never done one of these. I have, but not on camera. So, let's see what time it is. It is 3:21, and we are finna get into this. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below. Where did he go? Zachary, are you here? Where are you at? Little bro. Zach! Come back around here. Because I need to ask you, are you ready for the hide and seek 3 a.m. challenge? Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm at my hiding spot. I'm bent over. Oh, look at the window. And I'm just gonna go look around, alright? So let's go. I don't know where he could be at, but bro, this is so freaking scary back here. Like, I don't know why, but there's just like pine cones and tree branches and pine straw. But it's just so scary back here, though. Sorry, guys, I had to stop that part right there because I had to use the bathroom, but we are back out here and we're finna. Ooh, let's look under here. There's nothing under here. What the? What was that? I promise you, bro. What the freak was that? I promise you, I ain't doing this no more. That is not right. Where's my little brother at? We need to go in the house. Oh, what the? What is that? Where is he at? There he is. Found him. Found him. Hey, come here, bro. Oh, shit, we got off my shoe. Little bro, I gotta ask you something. Come here. Stop playing games with me, man. I seen your red jacket. Where are you at? Where'd you run off to? What? Where are you at? Zachary, it's not funny no more. Okay. I promise you. We're just gonna sit there and wait for him. I gotta turn my flash off so he can't see me. So he will not realize I'm up here. Whew! Oh, I heard you. I heard your little laugh. You must try to throw a pine cone at me. There you are. Come here, Zach. Okay, Zach, I need to ask you something for real. For real, Zach, I need to ask you something. Okay. See, there you are. Now, during playing games, was that you over there that made a loud thump over there when I was behind the house?
No.
Better not be lying to me.
I'm not.
But I know that was you that threw a pine cone at me just then.
No.
Bro, but I was like so scared. Did you hear me yelling?
No.
What you doing? Because I was yelling. I was for real scared. I was for real because I kept walking around there. Kept hearing stuff like over there. I heard like somebody step on a branch. Honestly, on my life, bro. This video just hit 5 minutes. Let's go. My longest video so far on this channel.
That was like the best video ever.
If we can get 1 like on this video,
Then we're the boss.
then we'll make part 2. Okay, so that was it. That's all for today because I can't be messing around with this stuff no more. I'm scared. Honestly, I gotta give it to you. I'm scared. Next time we're gonna do
Next time we're gonna do what?
in our next 3 AM video, we will play hide and seek, but it will not be with ourselves. Stupid shoes won't stay clean. Ew, what's that gooey stuff on it? Okay, we don't care about that, but
You got your channel out of my shoes? I said these are my outside shoes, y'all.
alright, so we will do a different 3 AM video, but we will do going inside some scary woods. I'll give you a sneak peek of the front of the woods right now. Let's go. Alright, so you can't see anything, but there's the woods inside of there, which is very scary. And you can't see anything up there. Flashlight ain't working right. So we're gonna go in the house, try to find some flashlights, and stay tuned on my channel if you want some more content like this. Please subscribe, like, and put comment down below. And it is time for me to go in before I get caught. So peace.